Okay, Jim, starting the shear. Shear's running. I'll walk around back, Tyler can cycle it. Okay, go ahead, Tyler. This is from behind. Ready? Go ahead, cycle it. Here's the piece that's been cut. It's got a perfect edge on it. This is not real thick metal. I'll go around to the front. Let me look at the whole. Here's an overall view of the back. Hold on. Okay, go ahead and cut. What's that, 1/8 inch?
Yeah.
Go ahead and cut it. Now let's look at the edge. Okay. Cut it. Cut that. Go ahead and shove it in there. You step on it. There's the cut edge.